Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off contact sync on TikTok. So, this prevents TikTok from continuously syncing your phone contacts to help find people you know. So, first, open the TikTok app and click your profile in the bottom right corner. So, once you click your profile, next is to tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Then open Settings and Privacy. From here, scroll down to Preferences and tap Contacts and Location. So once you're here under Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends, find Sync Contacts and turn the toggle off. If you've already synced your contacts before, you can also tap Remove Previously Synced Contacts to delete the contacts TikTok has already uploaded. And that's it. So Contact Sync is now turned off on your TikTok account. You can also scroll up and you can also turn off contacts, Facebook friends, etc. And that's basically it. If this video helped, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.